everyone. Now it's 9 p.m. in Russia, and we continue learning simple vowels. We already learned vowel A and O. Today we are going to learn the letter U, and it's the first tricky letter in the Russian language that we are going to learn, because in English it's not U, in English it's Y. So we need to remember it. What word we can take for the example? Well, I need something easy. It's morning, and let's take a word. Утро. Утро. Утро is morning in Russian language. So it's U, T, утро. It's a short sound, though I wrote 2 O. I just wrote it for the understanding that Russian U is like maybe actually I was going to write the word wood, but I guess here U is longer than in Russian. Let's look at the word sugar. Here U is pronounced exactly like Russian U. Sugar. So let's use for transliteration this letter in other words. And let's take another example. For example, word I think I don't know words with U. Yeah, I know, but they are not very simple. Let's take the verb. The verb is гулять. Гулять means to take a walk. Гулять. Гу. Ля. Гулять. And here U, this one, U is not stressed, but anyway we pronounce it like U. So in every time we pronounce U like U.